Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the karaoke text color on CapCut PC. Go to text and add in your default text here. I'm going to also change the frame ratio so you guys can see it a little bit better. Also, you can select like a font here. I'm going to leave like the default text because I don't have any lyrics that I can think of right now. Go to animation and go to the in animation and select the karaoke one, which is the blue one right here. You can also adjust the duration here, of course. And once you're done with that, you're going to right click create compound clip, go to adjustments, and you're going to adjust the saturation, the brightness. You can also add it on top if you want to and not do this. There we go, add in some shadows, and I'm just going to leave it like that. If I add in too much of the whites, you can barely see the color difference later. Go to media, go to background, and select any color that you want. I'm just going to select this colorful one. Go to video, go to the blend mode, and select the overlay one. And obviously you can use just like one, like the single colors, of course, but I feel like that would look a little bit cooler. This one could also work, I think, like that. I think it's pretty cool, but you can also like add in one color like this one. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!